Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Hi! Kamusta kayong lahat? Yes guys, for today's tutorial we are going to talk about this makeup look. These eyes in particular. So this is a halo eye. And yeah, it may seem hard to do, but guys, it's very simple and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so if you notice guys, I have my cover here with me. 5:38 in the afternoon guys, and we're filming this tutorial. So if you noticed, I have all my base, my foundation, they're already in place, and also I have prepped my eyes already and put on some concealer for our primer. So that we can focus on the I need to stay awake, okay? So that we can focus on our tutorial, our what tutorial is this? Ano ba? Ano ba? I'm sorry. It's our halo eye tutorial. So for today, we are going to do some purple, reds, purple and blues. Yeah. So for today, we are going to use the Wanderlust palette from Profusion, and then we are going to use these matte colors. This one, Retro, Regal, and Go Girl. So these are the colors that we're going to play with, and also probably this Enigma, so that we can add more depth doon sa ating halo eyes. And then we are going to use these two colors naman from Sunkissed. This one and this one. Okay, so let's start. So let's start with our lightest shade. This shade here, the Go Girl. Let's use this one to be our base shade or our transition shade. With the halo eyes, guys, you just want to concentrate, focus lang yung colors dito sa outer corners, yung mga matte shadows natin. And then we'll leave a space here sa gitna para halo siya, para yun yung magiging lalagyan natin ng glitters or shimmering later on. So we'll start with this Go Girl. Ito yung lightest shade natin. So focus ko lang siya sa outer corner. Yan. Pack ko lang siya dyan. And also sa inner corner. So ulit tayo. Now, yung sobra sa brush nyo, i-blend natin para i-connect natin sila together. Ayun lang, windshield wiper motion. So, I want to add more of that. Focus ko lang sa dito. Focus. For today, I want to do a round eye. So, gusto ko siyang i-blow out. So, i-blow out ko lang siya dyan. Pero if you notice, hindi natin nilagyan sa gitna. So, connect ko na rin siya sa baba, diretso. So, same sa ilalim, same sa under eye. Both gilid lang din na nalagyan natin. So we're done. So if you notice, yung mata ko dito sa gitna, walas lang laman. So we focus lang the color sa gilid, tapos sa lids. Tapos next, we're going to the deeper color, the second deeper, this one. So we'll use another brush, another tapered brush. So same lang din, i-build up natin siya and focus lang din dito. We are going to apply the same sa lower lash line. I-build up din natin yung color. And then, iiwan pa rin natin yung gitna. Guys, you can use any color with this. I just want to use a purple today because I haven't done purple for quite a while now. Ay, sa video natin. So, that's why ito muna gagawin ko. Then, let's go back to our transition shade o yung first shade natin kanina para lang i-blow out ko yung color. Kasi I really want to create that round eye. Tanggalin ko na rin yung harsh lines. Okay, now I will. Okay, we nahulog na lahat. So now we're going to get our deepest color. I mean the third color, this one. This color, which is retro. Then I'm going to use a small brush lang para i-pack siya. Para we can focus it talaga doon sa crease natin at saka dito sa area na to. So same pa din, after mo siyang pinak dito at saka dito, then you're going to connect it pa din. Yan. But I'm using now a smaller brush, blending brush, para lang ma-focus ko talaga siya sa inner area. Hindi ko na siya ipa-fan out. Ay, blow out. A lower lash line, connect lang natin sila. It's really easy to do this eye then also, guys. You know? Actually, eyeshadows naman, akala mo lang mahirap, pero mabilis lang talaga sila. As long as, you know, you keep on blending and building the colors, yun lang talaga. What is difficult lang naman yung may precision, may mga lines talaga na kailangan. Yun, mahirap yun ng mga eyeshadow na looks. Yung kailangan may precision. Pero since ito is blending lang talaga, and you just need to build up, so yun lang. So we're almost done na. Sobrang bilis lang ito din. Now let's go back lang sa ating transition shade, yung ating brush, and i-blend ko lang sila lahat. Yung outside para walang harsh lines. Alright, honestly, I'm happy na with this, but I'm going to add one more color lang. What I mentioned earlier. This one matte color more. Para lang talaga malagyan ko yung depth dito sa ano. Actually, okay naman siya eh. Pero lagyan ko na. Ito, this color. Yung mas darker siya. It's Enigma. So, i-pack ko lang yung Enigma dito. Dito lang talaga sa dulo. Para may additional depth pa. See? Kita nyo kagad yung difference. Pack ko lang siya, focus ko lang siya dito. See, mas may impact pa yung color, mas buhay pa siya, mas nagsha-show pa yung color. So, guys, you know that I did na may na base, no? But if you want to learn or to know how I do my base, I have a video tutorial about it as well. So I'll just link it down below para pwede niyong puntahan. And probably may matutunan kayo doon. That's a very detailed makeup tutorial. So medyo mahaba siya kasi lahat tinap ko. From base, Hanggang pagdalawa ng mata. Yan yun, contouring. So, maganda yun guys, especially if you're starting pa lang. Okay, I think I'm happy na with it. I-blend ko lang sila using a clean brush. Walang harsh lines. Okay, so now we're ready na to put our shimmers. So I have the Sunkissed palette here, and both palettes are from Profusion, guys. We'll use this color first. This one. Ano ba to? Parang blue. Ano ba? Speckle yung pangalan niya. Speckle ba? Ano? It's called Fantasy. Tama ba? No, Speckle ata. So let's use this one, and then tap natin siya dito din after. Itong Breathless. So, gagamitin ko lang yung fingers ko kasi mas magandang payoff kapag may fingers. So, ito yung shimmers natin. Ito yung gigitna. Ilalagay natin sa gitna. So, gitna lang talaga. Ayan. O yan, nandiyan na yung shimmers. And then, don't worry about yung sun, nalilinisin natin mamaya. And then, kunin na natin yung mas lighter na color. Uff! Kita niyo, grabe. Ganda. Ayan, nalagay yung shimmer sa gitna. Ang ganda. Oh my God. Ayan, tapos yung edges, yan, yung edges kung saan nag-meet yung shimmers at saka yung colors, yung matte shadows, i-clean lang natin. So, balik ka lang dun sa colors natin. Oh, ang ganda. Kunin lang natin tong color na to. Likewise, i-blend din natin sa baba yung mga shimmers na yun. So, let's start with a darker color. You can also wet your brush, guys, para makita nyo yung full effect ng shimmer. May fallouts tayo. Tanggalin lang natin. Kumala ko ng flat brush. Tapos basahin ko lang, I want to add more of that color sa taas. More of the shimmers because I'm loving it. Grabe, grabe. Maganda din kapag binabasa talaga yung flat brush bago siya i-apply. Woo! And so guys, we're done. Oh my god, it looks so good. Yeah. So I'll just put in some eyelashes and eyeliner, false eyelashes, eyeliner, and fix myself, and I'll be right back. Guys, what do you think? It looks gorgeous, right? See? It looks really gorge. Oh my god. And this is a statement eye, guys. And I hope may natutunan kayo from me today. And yeah, if you happen to do this eye makeup look after this tutorial, please don't hesitate to tag me or to let the world know that you have learned it from me. Guys, come on. So guys, thank you so much again for watching my videos, and you guys, I hope to see you again soon. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye-bye!